what you are seeing is the beginnings of the greatest water slide ever. Tadpole. We came out in the middle of the sand dunes, and there is a place called Hoellein Lake, and what we've done is we've used our machines, we've used our four-wheelers as perimeters so that people driving around will know that we're down here and they won't drive their four-wheelers into us. Douglas got a pump and we've made a slide, and we're just sliding down the water slide. If you continue to like go under and dive like that,
you're right.
Good. Oh wow! Clean up your nose. See that water come out of your nose? It was not bad.
Hey, what's the weight limit on this stick? I'm sure in the background all you hear is motors and machines just running amok, and it is the highlight of my summer. And I want to introduce you to the newest member of the Polaris family.
And we named her Lorna Doone.
This is my new 1000 Turbo 4S Razor. Do you love it, Olivia?
Love it.
I love it so much. We have my tried and true Sportsman 850 that I've had for years, and it's just always a fan favorite. Also adding up to the lineup this year is the Outlaw 110 that is just right age for Cody and Olivia to be riding. And this year, Linky is big enough to be riding our Outlaw 70. Do you like your little four-wheeler? What's your favorite part?
The way that it sounds when you start it.
The way it sounds when you start it. Before we close this video, I want to thank Polaris for partnering with me on this video and making this trip possible.
I've got it right and I got it wrong, but I learned my lesson hanging on. Come sit here with me by the fire and let it go for a little while. So be here as the night starts falling. Let my fingers walk over your head. We got nothing to be scared of. I'd rather be with you than by myself. Now all is in your head.